Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be showing you how to make caramel popcorn, our own recipe. So let's get started. I'm using my sugar.
I'm going to be using my molasses.
Actually, wait a minute. I'm not going to put my brown sugar in yet. Mess up. No, actually, I am. I want it to get sizzled up.
Oh, what's up?
Mess up.
Oh,
I'm going to grab my butter. Oh, here we go. Come on.
it's a lot of oil. Alright, now, put it back on, put a napkin, and wash my hand.
Not really fast. I let my butter melt. Ooh, it's melting fast.
Ooh, it's boiling fast.
Oh, where's this? Want me to turn it on low. This way. Brown sugar all up. This thing has, I'm using more brown sugar. Gotta chop up all those chunks. Okay, well that's melting. I'm gonna pop my popcorn. Microwave popcorn.
Kind of turning brown now. Have to wait a little.
Here.
Take a little bit.
Where's the cutting board?
Oh, good question. It's Babe.
What are you doing? You're using half? Are you using half? Oh, she's not cleaning a little bit.
To that nice steady state.
My butter is hard. I need to let it melt. It was frozen actually. Turn up to medium actually. Okay.
There. Ooh. I know it's a little early in the competition, but comment down below if you think Zach is going to win. I mean Cody. Sorry, get those two mixed up. Cody is going to win, or Elena.
I really think people lose molasses.
No, they
That's
don't.
good.
But it's like
You took.
no, I did. This is mine.
No, my spoon is right there.
Oh wow, it's like
How do you get over there hot? All that delicious caramel is gonna get all and butter all melted. Okay, you over here. I'll pick
is
it
it
up.
stay? Let it boil.
Popcorn's done.
It tastes good. Yeah.
I don't think it is.
Let it boil a little more. This is everything. If you could be in this kitchen right now, you can smell the wonderful aromas. Right now that I smell, it smells so good.
Oh, the butter's almost all melted. That's a good sign. Why is she already putting in slivers at a time?
Oh yeah. Not sure.
Come on, butter. Hurry up. I'm just waiting on you, butter. Try to stir it all up. How is hers going faster?
Oh, another salt.
Melt butter. How is she already putting everything in? She didn't put a whole stick of butter in yet.
Loser.
No. This is how she's gonna lose. It's not about how fast you can go. It's about whose caramel tastes the best. Mine. Look, or hers. I have a secret trick. Baking powder. She can't lose it though. Can't copy a shot. Well, unless you use
I'm
it.
not sure if you guys ever heard of putting baking powder in caramel. It's something new for us. So this brainiac right here, Scott, about doing that, which to me is interesting.
Okay. I gotta let this get heated up. Take the popcorn out.
I'm really using your caramel's really bubbling.
Yeah, I know. I have to squeeze my
You don't want to get it burned.
There we go. Ooh, look at that fluffy stuff. Fluffy stuff. Am I bubbling? Got a butter in there. Bunch of salt.
Elena's caramel is done. Oh my gosh, there's a spoon in there.
Yeah, I know. Wait,
dropped
this
it.
is already done? Yeah. How is this good done? I'm not even done.
Popcorn. Tastes quite good.
Mine was on before yours. Hey, don't touch it. Move aside, move aside. I gotta wait till it starts boiling a little. Ow. She's putting herself around.
So hot. It's a spoon I'm just licking off of. Pretty good.
What?
Strong molasses taste, but
I know, it needs to boil a little more.
Okay. Competition. Secret. Weapon. Spilling it. Come on now. I don't want to put too much in. Look at it. It's turning into caramel. I'm all messy now. Mess. Hands. Bubble.
look. Big butter.
If you have big butter in, you should put it on first. Instead of slivering. Quickly, popcorn.
Oh. I've been on toes here. the bubbling aroma of his caramel. It smells very buttery, but let's hope it tastes good. His smells really molassesly. So,
Pour it down, my little caramel. You must save your energy for winning.
you confident?
Yes. Hers, look. Mine, at least looks like something.
Our family is very competitive, so
Let it bubble for a little bit more. There we go, bubble. Mine looks like the best.
we got popcorn over here, all ready to be drizzled with yummy goodness.
Okay, first I gotta test it. Ooh. Not too hot right now. Can't really
What do you
taste it. I think it's good. I can't really taste it yet.
Got a lot of slopping over here. What do you think?
Actually, I'm gonna do one more shake.
This is really good.
Yeah, let me
I
taste
think it's too nasty. I'm gonna do one
Yeah,
more
I do
shake.
too, think.
Raw milk.
raw whole milk.
I'm not gonna add too much because I add cream. And then it will make it better. It'll make it a little lighter, not too creamy.
Ooh, yeah, look at that color.
Already starting to make its perfect color. What do you think, Elena? Competition hard?
Yeah.
Okay, mine is done. I got my oven mitt.
Alright, we're gonna go over here and watch him. You need to let it.
Huh? Let it cool.
You need to let it, yeah, cool a little bit.
Yeah,
so
I
it
let it
doesn't
cool.
wilt all the popcorn right off.
Also, it can't. It's too hot. We'll be able to stir. I'll let the competition catch up. She used to win lead.
Yeah.
What are you doing over there?
Picking my jaws out.
Oh, I got the hiccups.
Come on, Como. Step in the finish line.
There you are, maybe.
Good popcorn. Hot.
Alright, let's drizzle this caramel goodness on the popcorn.
It'll cool down. Let's wait until she's done. Okay.
She's done.
Put it down on your
Look at that.
Put it down on your thing. Hot pad. Now it's done. The drizzling. I drizzle it over my popcorn.
Right. Then don't put all of it in, and then stir it and put more. Oh wait, you like almost put everything in it.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it has a lot in the camera, but off camera it looks like it has a lot. Alright,
That's
Elena?
burning me. This is a flat.
Ew.
Yuck.
It's like a chocolate one.
It's all swiveling up. Okay. I think mine looks better.
Come on. It looks really caramely.
Whose?
Yours.
That was a fast way to make caramel. Wow, so.
Yours look like you have burnt popcorn.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god. I think
He's over here laughing his head off. Be nice. You're still confident?
Yeah.
That doesn't really...
That face doesn't really tell me you're confident.
Yeah, it's really good.
Mom. Flavor.
Flavor.
Hey, drop it. My popcorn's done. Look at that. Who do you think looks better? Yuck. I think mine.
Yeah, yours is really shriveled up. Look at that popcorn. It just, it's got scalded.
Ah. Okay.
I think because we let his caramel
No.
sit for a little bit, it, kept a popcorn looking fluffy. As for her, she just, poured it on, hasty masty,
Cannot taste anybody's.
and shoveled it all up. You need to wash out your caramel thing so it sticks.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, see you at the taste tester table. Alright, here's our taste testers. Zach and Carrie.
Bye.
I'm going first. See the
You're
popcorn?
going first.
Hope me luck. Taste testers are tough nowadays.
Yeah, these guys are the most taste tester approved people. They love good food. I would just say you guys both won. And so would our mom and dad and 2 brothers. Yeah. These 2 are the most competitive when it comes to
It's very
taste.
sweet. Very sweet.
That's how called popcorn is. Jeez.
I don't know.
Alright.
I'm trying to taste no badness in it.
Rinse it down, and then here is
And
the
I guess
molasses.
I don't know. Looks like burnt.
She is
Loser. Babies, you win. It's going to cool down.
Oh. What was that? Yeah.
Wow, you're gonna make Elena cry. Poor Elena.
That's a way. Yeah. No bites like that.
Well, mine is the winner.
Yeah. Jason. That's a winner. Whoa. I was tripped. Whoa.
Well,
Alright.
that's all for today. We'll have other videos of cooking too. Well, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you later.